Welcome back to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up sudo privileges and add a new user on Alpine Linux 3.22. Alpine Linux doesn't ship with sudo installed by default, so it only gives you root and expects you to add what you need. A lot of people coming from Ubuntu and Debian get confused for the first time they log into Alpine and sudo isn't even there, so let's fix that. I'll be doing this both as root user setup and showing you how to create a new user with sudo access, since that's a more common real-world situation. First, let's open the terminal. Type this command, su space dash, hit enter, enter your password. This logs you in as the root user. If you're already logged in as root, you can skip this step. Now we're going to update the package index. Type this command, apk space update. Hit enter. Alpine uses apk, the Alpine package keeper. This command refreshes the local index of available packages from the repositories. I'll clear my screen. Next step, we'll install sudo. Type this command, type apk space add space sudo. Hit enter. apk add sudo installs the sudo package plus any dependencies it needs. Now let's verify if sudo was installed correctly. Type this command, sudo space dash dash version. Enter. As you can see, sudo was installed successfully. I'll clear my screen. Now let's add a new user. Type add user and the username you want to use. I'll use test. Now let's set up our password. Type in your password again to confirm. Now we have our new user added. Alpine Linux 3.22 does not come with nano, so we'll use the VI editor. I'll walk you through the steps. Type this command, VI sudo, enter. Scroll down until you find this line. Make sure you find this exact line. We're going to hit delete to remove the hashtag. Now your line should look like this with the percent in front. Now hit shift and the colon symbol. Type WQ in the VI editor. This will exit the editor. Hit enter. Now we need to add our user to the wheel group. Type this command. Put the username you want to add. Mine was test. Then type wheel. Hit enter. Since we just told sudoers anyone in the wheel group can run sudo, this step is what actually grants users the permission. You can confirm the group with this command. Make sure to enter your username. Enter. So as you can see, we have our new username added to the wheel group. I'll clear my screen. Let's reboot our system. Select the new user we created. Enter your password. Let's open the terminal again. Let's do a test install of nano. Let's update our packages. Type this command. Hit enter. I'll clear my screen. Now let's install the nano editor. Type this command. Hit enter. Let's check nano to see if it installed successfully. Type nano space dash dash version. Enter. As you can see, nano was installed successfully. All right, let's create a test file. Type this command, hit enter. I'll type hello world, Control X to save, type Y, enter. Let's see what's on the file. Hit enter. As you can see, we have hello world. And that's it. You have successfully added a new user, added user privileges, and installed the nano text editor. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.